like okra soup because it is very easy to prepare and also healthy and likely the cheapest soup in Nigeria. Your kids will definitely love this. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. So this is what I'll be using, and on my list I have my beef, periwinkle, cow skin, stockfish, dry fish, crayfish powder, onion, uziza leaf, seasoning powder, roughly blended habanero and bell peppers, pumpkin leaf, palm oil, salt, okra, and let's dive right into the preparation. So in my pot I'll be adding in my beef, and I'll add in my onion, salt, seasoning powder. So we'll start by creating a base stock for this okra soup, which is what I am doing right now. So we'll stir everything together and I'll add in little water, cover and allow to cook till it is tender. Next I'll add in my stockfish, dry fish, and I'll stir that together. As I said earlier, we'll start by creating a base stock for the okra soup. Next I'll add in my crayfish powder, my cow skin, and I'll give that a quick stir. This is very simple and easy to follow. Next I'll be adding in my periwinkle, my roughly blended habanero and bell pepper, and I'll stir it together. So with this, the base of the stock is coming together, and this is very important for your okra soup. Next I'll be adding in my palm oil. This okra soup is a non-fry method, so I'll go in with my palm oil, stir it, and this one is very healthy. So I'll cover this and allow to cook for a few minutes. Next I'll be adding in my okra, and this is grated okra. You can decide to add in chopped okra, but I want to use the grated one here. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for your like, your support, your thumbs up, your share, as in you are amazing. Are you seeing how the look of this soup is? The taste was out of this world, and it's very easy. As I said earlier, I think this is the cheapest soup in Nigeria. It wouldn't cost you much, okay? So you don't need to break a bank for you to make okra soup. Next I'll go in with my uziza leaf, my pumpkin, and I'm going to stir everything together. Allow this to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and you are done with this delicious soup. You can serve your okra soup with eba, fufu, pounded yam and amala. Okay, the taste was out of this world. I hope you will try this. Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in my next one. From me is bye.